Guys, today I'm gonna cook chicken afritada. Okay, these are all the ingredients. We have bell pepper, red and red. We have garlic, onions, and then black pepper, peas, soy sauce, afritada sauce. We can use uh, tomato paste and then tomato sauce also. But since I have this one, I just use this one. And then I have carrots and potatoes. And then the chicken leg and thighs. I use chicken leg and thighs. I marinated with soy sauce and black pepper. Okay, first we're gonna saute the garlic. Okay, saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then we're gonna add or we're gonna put the chicken, which I marinated already with the soy sauce and black pepper. Okay. Okay, guys, and then we're gonna cover first for a few minutes, and then we'll be right back. Okay. Okay, guys. So look at our chicken. It's very nice already. Okay. So now we're gonna add paminta again, and then we're gonna add a little soy sauce, just a little, because I already marinated that one with soy sauce. And then we're gonna add I said I have no tomato paste and tomato sauce, but I have apritada sauce, so I use the apritada sauce. Okay, so but you can use tomato paste, a little tomato paste and tomato sauce. But since I have the apritada sauce, I just use that one. And I'm gonna add a cup of water. Water. Okay. And then, since the uh, chicken is cooked right away, I'm gonna add the carrots and potatoes. Okay. And then, as well as the peas. And then, this one also. Okay. So, next. Look at this one. Okay, guys. So, we're gonna simmer this one again for maybe 15 minutes. And we'll be right back. Okay, guys. Our chicken apritada is done. Look at that one. It's super yummy. And now, I try to taste. It's yummy. Okay. So, I'm gonna get a piece Maybe I just get these thighs. Okay. And then I'm gonna get a potato and a carrot. Mm, okay. Carrots and the potatoes. It's very good. Oh, okay. So, and now I'm gonna. Mmm. Mm. Carrots is very delicious. And then the potatoes. Mm. Harap. And then the meat. The chicken thigh. I'm gonna use the spoon. And there's a fork also. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. That's yummy. Mm. It's very good if you have a rice. Mm. Okay, guys. Our chicken apritada is done. Okay, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bruja, to my Instagram, The underscore, Bro underscore Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, my YouTube, The Bruja, and my TikTok, the underscore bro underscore ja, and to my uh, Instagram, the cooking show at the cooking show, on my Facebook page, the cooking show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.